Good morning, my peoples. Relvin Smith here with Mountain Bushcrafters Alliance, of course. Now, first of all, if you're new here, please consider subscribing. Hit that notification bell to be notified of uploads of my live streaming. And if you like this kind of video, give it a thumbs up. But we're sitting on the side of the road, getting ready to go into the trap line, waiting for a little bit more light to come. I've learned through past mistakes. I went into the line early and scared off a couple of bobs that maybe would have been catches by going in too early. But I want to talk to you this morning about rituals. Some people believe in divine intervention. Some people believe in luck. Some people believe in rituals. Some people doesn't believe anything. I know how I believe. But we all have a system that we follow, whether we fish, hunt, trap, hike, whatever we may do out in nature or even in life. So in the comments below, post your ritual, the system that you follow, something that may be odd or something that may not be so odd, that you do, that you might think that helps you out hunting, fishing, trapping, hiking, or day-to-day life. Now, this may be the only video I post. I don't know. If we get anything, I'll put it in the bonus footage. If we don't, this will be it. But I'm about ready to head up. Give it just a few more minutes. I appreciate you following along. Appreciate your support. Appreciate my members. Mentally, physically, financially, without you, I'd have done give up. I'd have done give up. It's because of you. And that's the truth. Nevertheless, I appreciate everything that you do for me and my family and the Mountain Bushcrafters Alliance channel. As always, go farther, stay longer. Post your ritual in the comment. Tell me what you do before or after a hunt, fish, or trap. Before you do anything or after you do something. If you fail or if you succeed, post your ritual in the comment. Go farther, stay longer. Hey, I'll catch you out here somewhere. Thanks for watching. First set. Oh my God. Stay with me. How good I got it. I don't know. That's a big one. That's a big bob. Hope I got him good. Barely got him. Barely got him. Barely got him. Yes, sir. Oh, I got him good. I got him good. He ain't going nowhere. That's a big bob. Stay with me. Number 2 for the morning. That's a big one, buddy. Gosh dang, that's a big one. How good I wasn't caught. That's a big one right there. That's a big one. Yeah. Hope he's caught good. If he ain't, I'm screwed up. far too much cable on that trout.